today's video, I will unboxing my rewards from Influenster because I've been chosen as a winner from the challenge that they have. It's a bareMinerals challenge. I'm so excited, guys, to showing you what I received. It's like a lot of products from bareMinerals, and I'm not gonna swatches anything because I want to do first impression, and I'm gonna review it for you guys because that's literally like a lot of products from everything you need for your makeup and also skincare. Thank you, Influenster, and thank you, bareMinerals. I love you guys. If you guys want to become a beauty influencer and you don't know how to start it, you can just go to the Influencer apps, and everything I will explain it in description box below. We can become friends. And this Influencer, I will read it a little bit for you. This company based on New York will give you a free samples to influential product testers, and also you can get not just makeup but also like a skincare or like a food and like hair products, also maybe like a dog food, like everything you like. And you can start your channel right away because they will give it to you the product that you need to review it. It's very simple. If you have a social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Pinterest, or like Twitter, any social media that you have, that's very perfect for you, and it's totally free. They're not charge you anything. You just need to tell everyone this product is free for test purposes. I've had mine probably like more than 30 boxes because I've been joined with influencers since 2016, which is just like long time ago. Every month I will receive like a random VoxBox. So they have a challenge. If you follow based on your interest, they will sending the VoxBox. So VoxBox is the products from them. Like me, I love makeup products, so I always like finish all the challenge and get the badges. I will put it in here so you can see how it looks like, and it's so safe. Don't be afraid, this is not scam because I've been one of them ever since 2016. Okay guys, so this is the Influencer apps after you download it on your phone. Basically, you just need to sign up and make an account with your social media or your email, and you will see snaps. You need to fill this up and pick based on your interest that you want to review it on your channel or social media. Mine, for example, is makeup, so I just follow it based on the brand right there and review it. As you can see, I just finished my last campaign. Is Elizabeth Arden White Tea VoxBox is a perfume. I just follow whatever the instruction right there, upload a video or take a picture to finish your campaign. And you can see they give you the notification and the new products, everything you need to review it. After you finish your campaign, you will get badges. As many badges you can collect, you will get more VoxBox. You can even get every day if you be able to finish all the campaign they have. Just sign up on the link down below and be friends. I've had like a luxury brand makeup, I've had a drugstore, and I've had one time this a butter, like actual butter, and I'm using it and showing to everyone and review it that hey, this is butter from them. And also cooking oil, anything you're interested for. If you're more like a cooking, and you can just do the challenge and they will send it to you the new products. Dun, 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 dun. This is the box. I got a huge one because like a tons of product inside, and I never had this tons of product before. I'm so happy. Let's open this up. It's a paper. I will read it for you. The card looks like this. Hey you, there's really no other way to put this. You are the best. You earned this amazing prize inside enclosed by being a model member of the Influencer Nation. Members like you are what make Influencer the best community of product lovers in the world. With love, the Influencer team. We have a Snaps. So Snaps is like a product review and you can pick what is your favorite Snaps. Like my Snaps is of course beauty product, and I also have a bath and body, home care, hair care, nails, shopping, food and beverages, skincare, beauty profession, makeup of course. So what you receive is based on the snaps that you finish it in here. And they have a campaign. You have to finish this campaign and get the badges that, like I said, to be able get the VoxBox from them, and they will send in you email and you finish it and submit right away. Don't be afraid, this is not scam. They will asking you, like they will asking a personal information like your address, your name, but that's all, because they want to know where they will sending this VoxBox. And sometimes they will asking you about some of type of skin, like your color skin and your what is your skin type, or like anything like your hair, what color of your hair, what color of your eyes, because they will match with the product they will give it to you. There you go. Is a lot. I know, I'm so excited. Product that I have from bareMinerals, this one is the mineral veils in the color, I don't know if they have a color. It says just hydrating mineral veil. Go. I think this is translucent. They don't have a name or something like that. Oh, I love the packaging, guys. This is very secure. Do you see that? Nice. I love it. And this one is the lipstick. Here we go. They called Longwear lipstick in the shade strawberry. I love strawberry. I don't like to eat strawberry, but I love the juice. All right, here we go. This is the shade. I'm not gonna swatches everything because I wanna give away this one for all my beauty lovers outside there. I have this setting spray. Oh, let me open the plastic. Setting spray for bareMinerals. Ooh, I love setting spray. Let's use it. Don't forget to shake this, okay? Or some people confuse why they have a streaks, like a white streaks when they spray setting spray, because they forgot to shaking it. That's so simple. Let's see the mist. I love fine mist. Ooh. Very fine. Love it. It smells good, like a skincare, but in the good way. Yeah, I love it. Ooh, you see my highlights after I spray this setting spray? Showing through. Nice. And this one is a dew mist. Dewy mist, I guess. Set, fresh glow, hydrate, refresh, and illuminate your face. You see my skin getting better. don't mind this. This is my friend, okay? Pimple is my friend. You're fine, you're normal. But after I spray this setting spray, you see my highlights showing through. Nice. It's a lipstick again. In the shade Everything. Ooh, liquid lipstick. I love it so much. Let's try. I just top it off in my lips right now. This is a nude color. It smells, I'm hungry. It smells like pudding. Teeth check. And next, this is mascara. Ultimate Black bareMinerals Lashtopia. Ooh, the packaging is cute. Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara. And let's see the one. Here we go. Ooh, I love this. Is Longwear Eyeliner bareMinerals Lasting Line. There you go. Let's open this up. Ooh, guys, it's so cute. They have the smudges in the back. I love it. Look at that. So cute. So you just like put it on right here and then the smudges, you know. It's fine. Do you see that? Oh, I love it. Swatches them. It's pretty black. Next product is foundation primer. Wow. In the shade Original. Here we go. Next product is, wow, I love this one. bareMinerals Bounce and Blur. So this blush is the one made me win from the challenge, guys. But I've had mine in the shade like peach. This is Mauve Sunrise. Let's open her up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Here we go. Oh my god, it's so pretty. We need to do first impression for sure. I don't want to swatches. I'm gonna swatches later when we do in first impression with bareMinerals because I have everything here. Next, eyeshadow palette. Open from here. It's neutral color. I love it. Honestly, I never had like neutral color in my collection because I'm kind of like a bold girl. If it's through makeup, I love everything bold, like purple, true pink, blue, anything colorful. I love that. So now I have a bareMinerals eyeshadow palette in the neutral color. I'm so happy. I'm not gonna swatch it back again. I want to do the first impression, okay? Next product. Ooh, Ooh, highlighter and bronzer. This is the highlights in the shade Free. That is so cute. Free. And the bronzer in the shade Fox 10. Nice. Let's open her up. It's a cool tone. I really want to swatch this, guys. I don't know if it's work for me. It's very ashy. We can make it work. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's try again. Yeah. Smells like medicine. And this one is the highlights in the shade Free. Ooh, it's pretty. Come on. Let's put a little bit right here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. It's almost 7 p.m. in Seattle time. I'm so sad. The sun goes down. You guys can see? Here we go. It's very subtle. I love highlighter in the subtle color for day. It's a skincare. Here we go. This one is Infusion Skin Longevity. I think I've heard the Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. Ooh, the bottle is so cute. So this one I think is like, yeah, I think it's like a moisturizer or something. It says that after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. I definitely want to try and get back to you. The bottle is very chic. Next is the soft cream. bareMinerals Essential Moisturizing Soft Cream. They also, this one, I guess it's more like serum. This is the actual cream. So good. I love the packaging. Next product is Vital Power Eye Gel Cream. I assume this is from bareMinerals Skin Longevity line. Wow, I'm happy. I've heard a good thing about their skincare. So smells good. All their products smells like, you know, like a natural. So they don't have a fragrance, like strong fragrance like some other skincare has. But this one is very subtle and is very natural. I love it. Next product will be Sleeping Gel Cream. So, ooh, that's so nice. Do you see that? Here we go. Yeah, it smells so natural. And last but not least, this one is a bareMinerals CLAYMATES Mask Duo. Be pure and be dewy. Here we go. Wow, that's literally like all lines from bareMinerals. It comes in the spatula. I love masks with spatula, so you don't have to literally touch the product. So force your sanity. Alright, here you go. Oh, they have two. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see. Come on. Do you see that? It comes in the 2 products. They called, oh yes, Mask Duo. I think this one is the dewy one and this is the pure one. And let's open her up. Oh, nice. Wow, nice. Alright, so that mask duo is the last product that I have. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check the description box below to become an influencer like me, and you will receive the VoxBox every month. And it's very easy and simple to sign up. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I just want to helping to all the beauty community how to start your own channel. Okay love, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share my video and helping me to reach the 4,000 hours goal from YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and I love you. Bye.